welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a review of the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3 smartwatch. I picked this up from Target for $149.99. But before I get into this review, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified so you'll know each and every time I drop a new video, which is every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so let's get into this review of the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3 smartwatch. Right in front of me is the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3. But before we take a look at this smartwatch, let's go ahead and look around this box. So you get the very nice Garmin box. Okay, it has a picture of the VIVOACTIVE3. It has GPS and built-in smart apps. On the side, a nice side picture of the VIVOACTIVE3. And on the back, a little bit of information. And on the side, it says that the VIVOACTIVE3 features built-in GPS and preloaded indoor and outdoor activities. Lasts up to 7 days in watch mode and up to 13 hours in GPS mode. So it looks like you can actually swim in the water with this smartwatch. It has Garmin Pay and Connect IQ, downloadable workouts, and you have the ability to side swipe to navigate through the smartwatch. So it says this Garmin product is engineered on the inside for life, on the outside open, active, and enjoy. All right, and on the bottom, just the UPC code. All right, so this is the Garmin box. Simple but nice. Okay, you have the little hangy tab, and on the inside, it comes with your usual information. Your quick start manual and the safety information and stuff like that. Then you get your charging cable. Okay, so that's how the charging cable is. It's magnetic with your regular USB plug-in. All right, so that's all that you get in the box for the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3. So let's take a look at the watch. The watch comes with a black rubber band, and on the front of the tab it says Garmin, and here is the other part of the band. On the side you have the off and on button, and on the back is the charging magnetic pins. This here is where it would measure your heart rate, sleeping, things like that. And then you have the Garmin Active 3 engraved on the back there. And you can swap out these bands. So in case you want to change up, you can. Okay. So as you can see, you have a silver bezel. Now this doesn't turn or anything like that, like the Samsung watches. But on the side, you do have, let me get a good, see if I can get it in the picture here. These ridges here, if you scroll your hand across them, it will move the watch to different apps. So see how I'm scrolling across? You use it only on this side where the ridges are here. Okay, so this button here, you can click. It takes you back to your main screen. Scroll up. You get your steps, the calories you burnt. Okay. Weekly, your data. You can control your music through here. Haven't done any stairs or anything like that. And it gives you your notifications. So if I click on this side button, it will take me back to the main screen. If I go down, it takes you to your notifications and go back through the same information. So scrolling up or down on the watch will take you to the same information. Also, on the side here will also do the same thing. You can change the watch faces and get to your settings and other information by holding your finger down on the watch. Okay, it gives you your battery percentage and a picture of the battery. If you hit watch faces, you have an option of picking through the different designs. You can also create a new watch face. Okay, and what that allows you to do is like change the colors, change like the stuff around it, as you can see. Okay, go back out and discard. Yes. All right. Clock, history, my stats, and settings can all be accessed by just holding your finger down on the watch. You can also scroll, like I said, on the side here. Now, this watch, you do connect it to the Garmin app. It connects through the Connect IQ, where you can also check your stats as far as when you're exercising. This is the Garmin app where you can check all your stats and everything. You can connect to the Connect IQ app, where you can also get more watch faces. You will have to just download them. And then there's an app and they have watch faces. You can also download more widgets. Okay, so this smartwatch is really geared to people who are active. Will track your swim, it will track your golf, it can track running, cardio workout, everything that one would need to track. It has weather and, like I said, music control, heart rate, how many stairs you go up, your stress, your calories, your run, your last ride, which would be cycling, swimming, golf, and it looks like you can also show your lights, like from your house. So say if you are going out for a run and you want to turn your lights out, you can do that. It has Garmin Coach, where it would coach you through some of your workouts. Now, I will say that this watch, the screen is not as bright as the other smartwatch I review on this channel. The last one was the 3 Plus Vibe Plus smartwatch, and is this one here. So I'm going to give you a comparison of how the screen is. So as you can see, the 3 Plus has a brighter screen than the Garmin. Color saturation is better on the 3 Plus than the Garmin. Okay, but they both do the same things, okay, except for this one has Garmin Pay, where you can like pay for things at stores that takes Garmin Pay. So you can set up your credit card to pay through your watch, where this one you don't. Now this one was $49.99 and this one was $149.99. And Garmin is a big name, whereas 3 Plus, never heard of it, but this 3 Plus Vibe Plus is a good watch. Haven't had any trouble out of it. Okay, so and I will also put the link in the description below for my review of this 3 Plus Vibe Plus smartwatch. Okay, so just an overview. If you're really into being active, I would say pick up this Garmin VIVOACTIVE3. Overall, it's a really good smartwatch. It does everything that the other smartwatches do, and maybe a little bit more. I don't know any of the other smartwatches that actually track golfing. Like when you go play golf, it actually tracks that. So yeah, this has been my review of the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3. I just ask, if you enjoyed this video, that you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified, and comment down below if you have this Garmin VIVOACTIVE3, and let me know if you're digging it or not. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.